We'll continue with median questions. If the median of the following data is 240, find the value of f. So the question is, if the median of the following data is 240, find the value of f. So class interval given, class interval, okay, that is 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400. This is frequency. Frequency given, right? Frequency is given 1517f, 1517f, 1295, 12. Then we have to complete. Then again 400 to 500, 500 to 600, 600 to 700, okay, 700, that is 952, 952. Okay, in the mean we have done a question like this. Let's see how to find in the median. So first you copy the table, that is Ci, that is 0 to 100. This is frequency. 0 to 100 is 50. Then 100 to 200. 100 to 200 is 70. Then 200 to 300. F. 300 to 400, 12. Then 400 to 500, 9. 500 to 600, that is 5. 600 to 700 is 2. 600 to 700 is 2. So what new column you have to make? Cumulative frequency, Ca. 50, 32, 32 plus 8, 32 plus 8, 44 plus 8, then 53 plus 8, 58 plus 8, 60 plus 8. Okay, median is 240. Since median is 240, so 240 is where? 240. So median class is median is 200 class. Let's check it again. Let me check the question. This is given that n is equal to 20. I think something is missing here in this question, because the total frequency has to be given. Total frequency (30 plus n by 2). Actually, one part is missing in this question. Either this total frequency will be given. So total frequency, if I calculate now, that is coming total frequency, suppose one part of the question is missing here. So let me calculate from here. Total frequency, if I find out, that falls in 200 to 300. 200 to 300. So total frequency 60 plus 8 equals to 70, suppose. 70 means 8 is equal to 10. 8 is 10. 50. 60 plus 8 equals to, if I write 70, 8 is 10. 8 is 10 means 42. I think one part is missing. Let's write, complete this question. And given modal class, median class is given, suppose 200 to 300. So this is given because one part was missing. So you can start from here. Median class, it is 200 to 300. So L you can find out 200. Okay, what is N? N means total 60 plus 8. Then modal class, cumulative frequency will be where? Not cumulative frequency in the modal class. We have to highlight this one. You have to highlight this one. It's previous one. Previous means 32. Frequency of the modal class F. F is F here. F is F. Then H with difference is 100. So if you put the value, median equals to n plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. L is what? L is 200 n by 2, 60 plus F by 2 minus Cf, 32, divided by F is F into 100 equals to, median is given 240. Median is given 240. So if you do the calculation, this number you can take this side. 240 minus 200, you can take 2 LCM. Then 60 plus F minus 64. 2 has to be multiplied, divided by F into 100. That gives you 40 equals to 6 minus 4 plus f by 2f. 2f will go here into 100. This 2 you can cancel, 50. So then cross multiplication, f will come here. 40f equals to minus 200 plus 50f. This will come this side. 40f minus 50f is minus 200. Then what will you find? Then you are finding minus 10f equals to minus 200. F equals to minus 200 by minus 10. Therefore, F is equal to 20. This is one pattern. Another pattern question you see. If the median, here class, median class was given, now total frequency is given. Another pattern of question. Another pattern of question is, if the median of the distribution given below is 14.4 of the distribution given below is 14.4. Find the value of x and y. Find (14.4) is clear. Okay. Find the value of x and y if the total frequency is 20. Look at in the previous question, median class was given. Now the total frequency is given. So we can do this question also. This is given. Table you can make. CI F 0 to 6, 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to 30. Okay, let me complete it. That is 4x5, 4x5, then y1, y, then continuation 24 to 30. That is 1. Okay, let's start. Make the table. CI 0 CI frequency 0 to 6. 0 to 6 is 4. 6 to 12. 6 to 12 is x. 12 to 18 is 5. 18 to 24 is y. 18 to 24 is y. 24 to 30 is 1. Okay. CF 4. 4 plus x. This plus this 9 plus x. This is 9 plus x plus y. 10 plus x plus y. Remember, this is your total frequency. So total frequency became cumulative frequency, the last one is called total frequency, because if you add this, you look at here, 4 plus 5 is 10, 9 plus 1 is 10, x plus y. So right, total frequency is 10 plus x plus y. This is 20. 20 is 10 plus x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 20 minus 10. So x plus y equals to 10. X plus y is 10. That means this is 10. Okay. Now look here. What is N? Total 20. What is 20 lies where? Where is this 20 lie? Because you have to find n by 2. N by 2 n by 2 is 10. 10 is lying here. 10 will lie here. Because this is 10 plus 9 is 19. So 10 will remain here. So you can say, what is our modal class then? So you can say the modal class is 12 to 18. Okay. Once more I will tell you. N by 2 is 10. So n by 2 means, because this is how much? 19, because x plus y is 10 is 19. So obviously 10 will be here. So 10 unit means 9 plus x is the frequency now. Sorry, modal class will be 12 to 18. So write down modal class 12 to 18. The N how much? 12. CF is always this one. CF. Previous to this, 4 plus x. Frequency of the modal class F. This will be F. 5. Size H. Difference is 6. So you can write that median equals to, or let me draw and write here, median equals to A plus CF, N by 2 minus CF by A into N. Then what will you write? 12. Median is given. How much? 14.4. This is given in the question. 14.4 equals to N is 12. N by 2 you will find out 10. CF, look at here. 4 plus x, keep in the bracket, by 5 into 6. So, is the method I told you? Bring this number this side. 14.4 minus 12, 10 minus 4 minus x, here is 6 by 5. This is 2.4 equals to 6 minus x into 6 by 5. Bring this number here. 2.4 into 5, 36 minus 6x. 12.0 minus 36 minus 6x. Minus 24 minus 6x. Then minus 24 by minus 6 is x. X became 4. 4. Okay, if x is 4, then x plus y equals to 10. So y is equal to 6. Okay. Exactly a similar question is given in your textbook. Examples you search. Search in the examples, you will find a similar question. That is homework for you. Similar question. Homework. Find out. In the median example, you find one question is given like that. Okay, this is all about median. Let's find what is called mode. Mode is called the datas which occur maximum number of times. Means what? Suppose question is find the mode of the given letters. Like suppose 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 3, 3, 4, 3 like this. Okay. So what you have to do is you write here x, you write here y. Minimum number is 1. How many times? 1 time. 2, 1, 2, 3 times. 2, 3 times. Then 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 times. 4 1 time. 5 1 time. So which one is maximum number of times? Look at here. Maximum number of times. Frequency में maximum number of times is 4. So which number is 4? In the x column 3 is 4. Therefore mode equals to 3. One simple question like this. Okay, but you get a question mode of the group data. Mode of the grouped data. This also has a formula because we are doing only questions formula based. So formula is write down mode equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay, into H. Okay, what is A? A is lower limit of the modal class. Okay. Then comes up what is F1 for us, F0 for us. Let's start F1, frequency of the modal class. Frequency of the modal class. Then what is F0? That is frequency previous to preceding to the frequency preceding to the modal class. F2 frequency succeeding proceeding to the modal class. Okay. Then let's take a question. Question is, that is, find mode of the following data. Find mode of the following data. What are the data given? The marks given, number of students given, marks will be X, this will be your F. It's a below 10, below 8, no, below 10, below 10 is 8, below 20 is 20. Then let's continue. Okay, below 30, below 30. Then comes up below 40, below 50. Below 40, below 50. Okay, this is something a different question. 45, 58, 70. 45, 58, 70. Okay, try to understand this. How to make. Look at what is the meaning of difference of 10 is coming. So below 10 means you write 0 to 10. Let's write C. Class interval. This is what you remember. Totaling is given. Below 20 means 0 to 20. You remember. So we are given cumulative frequency is given 0 to 10. 0 to 10 is 8. Because this is the increasing, look at here. Total is always given. Then meaning of below 20. Below 20 means the meaning is 0 to 20. 0 to 20 how much? The 20. Meaning of below 30. Below 30 means 0 to 30. 0 to 30, 45. 0 to 40, 58. 0 to 50, 70. 0 to 50 is 70. Okay, the problem here is you have to break up. Break up means, look at here. You have to write again Ci, then you have to write frequency. This is cumulative frequency, right? Okay. First you see 0 to 10, 8. 0 to 10 is 8. What this is 0 to 20? So break off. What will be? 10 to 20 then. 10 to 20 will be 0 to 20 is 20. From 20 you subtract 8. That will be 20 minus 8, 40, 12. Now look, up to 20 is 20. So 0 to 30 is 45. So 20 to 30 will be 45 minus 20. 45 minus 20. That is 25. So frequency table is coming. Okay. What is the meaning of 0 to 40? 0 to 40 is 58. So 0 to 40 say if you remove 0 to 30, then you will get 30 to 40. 30 to 40 will be 58 minus 45. How much? 30. Similarly, 40 to 50, 70 minus 58. That is 12. Okay. Now, question is which number is coming maximum number of times. Frequency will tell you which is maximum number of times. That is this one. So this is our modal class. This is our modal class. So you can write modal class is 20 to 30. So from here you can find out n is equal to 20. Okay. What else required? As you can tell, H is very simple. Difference 10. Now frequency F1. Frequency of the modal class. Look at F1 frequency, not this one. Frequency of the modal class 25. F0 is its previous is F0. Its previous is F0, 12. Then F2, its post, next, this one. This one is your F2. So F2 is 30. Now put the values. What will you get? So you will get mod equals to A plus, what is the formula I have given you? F1 minus F0 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 X. L how much you write? 20 plus F1 25 F0 12 2 into 25 minus F0 is 12 minus 13 whole into 10. So it will come out 20 plus 13 50 minus 25 10 20 plus 30 130 by 25. You can cancel with 5 65 5. So this is 130 by 25. 5 2s are 10, 26 by 5. 20 plus 26 को 5 में डिवाइड करो. 5 5s are 25, 102. So 25.2. Okay, one question they can do. So you can write one question as homework for you. Mean we discussed. Median we did. Then okay, this is all about. So what you do is all the exercise 14, I think 14.1, 14.2, 14.3 is homework for you. Based on this, you do all the questions. Okay, so homework for you is done. So one more question I want to tell you here: relation between mean, median, and mode. That is one important question I want to tell you. Okay, so there is a relation between mean, median, and mode. Relation between mean, median, and mode. So this is important short question for you. Write down 3 median equals to mode plus 2 mean. 3 median mode plus 2 mean. This is very important formula. Short question. Okay. So let's take a question. If the mode of the distribution is 8 and mean is 8, find median. Question is, if the mode of a distribution is 8 and mean is 8, find median. Okay, so let's put the value. Solution I can write here. What is the formula? 3 median equals to this. 3 median equals to mode is 8 plus 2 into 8. Okay. Then I can write here 3 median equals to 8 plus 16. 3 median is 24. So median equals to 24 by 3. That is also it. So one homework for it. If the mode of the distribution is 10 and median is 12, find its mean. Okay, so complete this. So remaining something is left out, that is graphical representation, that is ogive. Find the median through the graph. How to find median? So less than ogive, more than ogive.